Good morning. This is the second video in the series of smart devices, and in this I'm going to give the basic introduction of various components used in the smart devices. So let's get acquainted with the basic components used in this demonstration. And the first is your Arduino Uno. That is the processing element for this circuit. This board is quite easily available in the market. You can purchase it from the local market as well as you can purchase this from Amazon or any online website, right? So if you just check out on the pins of this Arduino Uno, it has right on the right hand side, it has pins from 0 to 13. You can connect devices with these pins, and the 14th pin is the ground pin. This is to complete a circuit. Ground pins is very important in any circuit. And on the other end, it is having 6 analog pins from A0 to A5 and 2 possibilities of power supply, that is 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Again, ground pin, 2 ground pins are available. 2 ground pins are available in this circuit, as well as 1 pin that is to supply power to this Arduino. On the back side of Arduino, it is having a connector which is used to load the program in this Arduino. We can use this wire, connect this one end of the wire is connected with the Arduino, and the other end is the USB drive that is connected with the laptop, and from the laptop we can upload a program into this Arduino Uno. There is limitation with this Arduino Uno. At a time it can store only one program. This is the basic microcontroller of this Arduino Uno that controls or that executes all the instructions. So this device is going to act as processing element for my circuit. I'm going to use in this circuit is the relay. I'm having a board of 4 relays. In the market, it is a single is also available, or it's a combination of 2. It's up to you. Whatever minimum I require 1. Otherwise you can use any type of relay, right? So as far as the connections are concerned of this relay, it is having one is ground and VCC to give the power to this relay, and 4 pins are there because I am having a pack of 4. So 1 input pin for each and every relay is there. To connect this relay, I have to use 2 connections from here. One connection will go to the device, and second is going to go to the mains, right? So one connection is going to be connected with the device, and second is going to be connected with the mains, right? So relay act as the digital switch for any device. It's very important for IoT or smart home or any device which I am going to convert, which I am desirable to convert as a smart device. Third one I'm going to use is my Bluetooth module. As my Arduino is not capable to connect with the Bluetooth directly, so I need extra module to have a communication through Bluetooth. This is HC05 module having 6 pins with it, and it works on 3.3 volt. It has been written 3.6 to 6 volt, but it is always desirable to it should be till 5 volt, right? So it is 4 pins are of our use, that is your RX is receive. This should be connected with the transmit of the Arduino, and TX is transmit, and that should be connected with the receive of the Arduino. Ground and VCC is needed to complete the circuit or to give power to this Arduino. Power to this Arduino is basically given by the power to this HC05 is going to be given by Arduino board, right? So this module HC05 is going to act as our Bluetooth module for the circuit. Then I am going to use this battery to power up the Arduino. Arduino requires 5 volt of battery, minimum 5 volt, so and this is of 9 volt, so it can bear up to 9 volt itself. In my circuit, I am not going to use the breadboard, but generally in electronic circuitry, this breadboard is being used. Breadboard is used to give connections to the if it is too cumbersome or it is so many components are there, then breadboard is used to provide as connector for all the devices. This act as a base for all the electronic devices. Thank you. So basically I am going to use breadboard, your relay, your power supply, your HC05 module, Arduino with its connector. These are my basic components, and one is a normal LED that can be included in our demonstration. That's it.